I'm sorry, I was fighting for my life for like a while. What the fuck? I was your poop delightful. I might have like felt like my soul has left my body multiple times, but in a good way. Why is it called the restroom then? I don't know. I was not having a rest. I was fighting. I was fighting for my life. Did you die? No. Does it look like I died? What the hell? What are you about? Ayo. 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 Hi, Donovan. You didn't see anything, Chad? I saw you putting on... What is it called? The thingy thingy and the thingy thingy. You might be a ghost. I am a ghost. How did you know? How did you know? Where is... Oh, there's a new daily dose as well. Okay, we have 2 videos to watch. DancingBacons. We watched DancingBacons first. Where is this? Where is this music coming from? Why do I have 15 different tabs? Zombie slam. It's me, I'm a zombie. Wait, I'm on the wrong screen now, bro. Where am I? Oh, here we go. Stop playing video before I'm watching video. Okay. You guys see this? Oh yeah, DancingBacons, our beloved. Okay, we watch DancingBacons. Oh! Ooh. 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 What looks the yummiest, guys? The low game? Rose Ethiopian coffee? I don't know what that is, but that looks delightful. Ooh! Oh my god. Oh! Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Mango. Oh, you can pick if you want it hot or cold. So there's like a cup noodle museum and you can make your own cup noodle. Really? Wait, that's so fun. Oh my god, it's Howie. Wait, I need to take my medication. It's time because I'm sick. And we want my throat to recover, and because I have not been drinking them every day, it hasn't recovered yet. Hi, stream these notes. Hello. Ooh, for $2? That's so good. Only 2 years. I mean, you are in UK. You are UK. You are in America. Everything's expensive there. And then I want. You can buy only pink M&Ms. Oh, that's so fun. Me pulling up only for purple ones. Some slimes win. Hi, Valkyries. How are ya? Aww. Merry super expensive. Yeah. Oh, they give you the little thing. Aww. Yum. I hope you've been feeling good. I'm feeling so much better. And they have a little hole. I think it's time to move to Asia, Momo. Where exactly? Hot meals? I hear China is super nice. Are we all moving to China? Can I become a furry if we're moving to China? Oh, that looks bomb. Oh. I'm not a furry right now. As far as I know, by the way. Oh, that looks bomb. For only $361. Dude, that, ooh. Oh, okay, so, oh, that looks so good. As far as we know you are, I'm not a furry. Just to clarify, can we establish something that I'm not a furry? Oh, and it's hot too? Fresh orange juice vending machines, that's so crazy. That's crazy. I'm feeling like some fresh orange juice. Yeah, let me just go to a fucking vending machine. Like, that's crazy. Momo not a furry, thank God. Whoa, I would be a great furry. China is living in the future. You know? This is pretty cool. And they have plastic straws! Okay, yeah, no. I cooked and ate so much, I think I'm pregnant. Congrats! When's the baby? Popcorn machine! Or are you a scaly? I feel like maybe I would be a scaly. Or a birdie or whatever that's called. 15 hours, let's go! What animal would you be if you were a furry? I don't know. I like that they close it when they're doing it so it wouldn't like splash everywhere. That's so nice. Persona test! Wait, is that a thing? Oh. Yeah, no, that's kind of lame. So you lose a bunch of your popcorn. It looks good, but I never like sweet popcorn. I like salty. Sweet and salty is good too. I would be a fuzzy shark. Hi, Panda! How are you? Oh my god! Oh, being a shark furry sounds so fun. What is this? Yo, he's throwing it back. Oh, these look so good. Oh my god. Hi, Shaper! How are you, Panda? He does a little dance. Don't eat popcorn since I got appendicitis. No. I love that he's just like doing a little dancey dance. The way he picks it up and stuff. I also love the music. This freaking robot just throwing it back. He's throwing it back for tips. Can we tip the robot? Can I tip the robot? Oh. love the cubs. The cubs are so cute. Is that like a whisk up his ass? Oh, and he even pushes it so it wouldn't open up. I love this little robot. Dude, I love this little robot. I might be in love. Oh, it's like a rhinoceros with a little like whisk tail. 165 for all that work? And that looks bomb as shit. Dude, I would go there every day. Just to look at the little robot. Oh, wait, what is this? Mushroom! Oh, does it make cotton candy? Aww, hi Johnny. Hello. It makes me want Coke. Coke. No employee used to get paid or store to pay for so cheap. That is true. That's so valid. I wanna see the mushroom. When is it turning into a mushroom? I was gonna make it into a mushroom. Wait! Oh my god! He's making it into a mushroom! This is actually so cool. Oh my god. Hello, Mush. That's so cute. Good job, little robot. Look at him. Oh, and he leaves it for you like that. Aww. Oh. He fucked it up. That is really cute. Wait, that is so cute. Cover Apex before I have to go to work. Have fun, Icon. Human error, yeah. Not much space to get it out. That is true. Oh, it's one of those that move. These are so cute. Could have been worse. You know what? You're right. You're right about that. Nod. Oh, there's Kuromi. Get the Kuromi. Kirby. Oh, the fat Kirby's so cute. No Spider-Man toy? Yeah, but this might have fat Kirby, so it's better. I also love the music it comes with. Puyo! Puyo! We love Kirby. Oh, it wasn't the fat one. It